All right, let's go through our special sounds. The students know how to read these cards. We do it in a particular way. So when we are reading our special sound cards, the first thing we're going to do is say the letters that are in the special sound. Then we're going to say the sound that it makes and a word that we find it in. As you're doing this every day, what I would do is turn down the volume, and that way your child can read the special sound cards. So, that way they're not just copying me, but they're actually having to read and say the special sounds and the words. So we're going to go through these, and this video is a video that you will see every day in the daily videos, because this is an activity that we do in the classroom every day. All right, so let's get started. C, K, K in duck. E, E in me. O, O in go. Y, I in fly. A, Y, A in pray. S, T, st in stop. P, L, pull in plane. F, R, fur in frog. T, R, tur in train. S, H, sh in ship. T, H, th in thick. T, H, v in this. B, L, bull in block. C, L, cull in clock. F, L, full in flake. G, L, gull in glue. B, R, burr in bride. D, R, dur in drum. P, R, purr in pray. G, R, gur in grin. S, M, sm in smoke. S, C, sk in scat. S, K, sk in skate. S, P, sp in spade. C, R, cur in crab. T, W, tw in twins. S, P, L, spool in splash. S, P, R, spur in sprain. S, C, R, scur in scream. S, Q, U, squ in squeak. S, N, sn in snack. S, L, sul in sleep. S, T, R, stir in stream. S, W, sw in swim. Those are the ones from the yellow and blue charts, and those are the ones that we use most often. We have started our orange chart, but we have only covered the first 3 special sounds. The orange chart is a little bit trickier, so we take these a little bit slower. So we're just going to do the first 3, and as we need to introduce more, we will introduce more in the daily videos, probably next week or so. All right, so this one is C-H, ch in church. A-R, R in stars. And T-H-R, thir in 3.